Lucy.
Say hello. She's listening about the juice cleanse. She's very interested. Mommy, do it, do it. We're in IBP's bar. Happy right? Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Kenny Grant followers. I'm Kelly. Follow my channel, Mills Girls. I'm also of Mills Girls. We've got 236.
You're a Grant girl, though.
I'm Grant, and this is Lucy. And they should be, our vlog should be called the Lucy Diaries. Watch her grow up. Sometimes I feel bad for just saying because we can't. She's just loving life and I get out. She's like, whoa. It's $1.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Follow my Instagram, Kelly M. Mills. I love it.
I am sorry. I should have been more careful.
What happened?
My mom came down and hit her.
You okay, Luce?
Have a place to hide a key. I haven't been in this house before. Holy cow. It's been so long. So can we like steal doorknobs? And they're just gonna take it down. Let's take some doors
Why?
for our house.
We still have to buy everything else. We can't rip out the whole frame. Really want to steal all the doorknobs?
Why not?
Because it's not our house.
Well, it's
And they're old. You don't want to put old doorknobs in a brand new.
not the ones in that room. That one was new. Up. Okay. Find your balance.
You got this, Luce.
Oh. Oh. Okay, we can be done. You did so good. Should we take the brownies? You did so good. So good. Are we still gonna go to Levi's?
If you want.
I do want to.
It's great.